Hello everyone, welcome to my unboxing. Today we are unboxing the Tomorrow by Together Memories second story DVD. This DVD was released on May 17th, 2022. I just recently ordered it and it took only a few weeks to come. I did not do the pre-order. So let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. Looking forward to photo cards, the photo book, and so many things. So it comes in something that looks a little bit like a textbook with photos of them, magnetic opening, and the back side. So it's a fairly heavy photo book and DVD set in one. So on the side, there's a little folder, which is nice. This is the photo card that I received, Taehyun. And that's the random photo. I assume there's nothing else in here. Let's see, for here, we have little pop-out photo cards. And the back side. Here are the other two, and it tells you the contents. Moments of Alwaysness, Moa, and a nice looking poster card. You may notice that I do have coloring from the concert that I attended in Houston for the most recent Lovesick tour. Let's see. Looks like it starts out with photos. And again, this is a very high quality, heavy book with thick photo pages. So it looks like these are all the different photos in here from the memories. Really nice, clear photos, great quality paper. And the last page just has a little note from them. So at the end are the two DVDs. And the other two DVDs. So great. Can't wait to watch those. Looks like we have everything that we went through. Looks like these are called instant photo card sets. So that is everything in this package. Really excited about the high quality of this. It's gonna fit very well on a bookcase, and it has a really good weight to it, and it's going to be a great addition to my Tomorrow by Together collection. So thank you so much for being here today. You have seen the unboxing of the Tomorrow by Together Memories second story DVD, and I hope you come back for another unboxing. Thank you.